did you know on New Year's Eve this year, the temperature in Ottawa and in Vancouver, they'll be almost exactly the same. So let's guess is Vancouver gonna be as cold as Ottawa in the winter, or is Ottawa gonna be as warm as it is in Vancouver, BC on New Year's Eve? So here's two equations. If you solve them, you'll know what the temperature is gonna be in both cities in New Year's Eve this year of 2022. Yeah. So here we'll solve this one first. And if you want, you could solve this at the same time as I'm solving this to see if the temperature is going to be really cold or nice and warm with Canadian standards, of course. So to solve this, we need to cross multiply. So I'm going to cross the x plus 3 to the 2 and the 3 to the 6. So I'm going to get 18 equals 2 brackets x plus 3. 18 equals 2x plus 6. Take away 6 from both sides, and I'm going to get 12 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 6. Believe it or not, in Ottawa is going to be 6 degrees on New Year's Eve. Or at least that's what the weather forecast says. And now you need to solve this and be assured you're going to get a 6 because the two temperatures are going to be exactly the same as predicted by the weather forecast. So to solve the second equation right here, because of the cube here, we need to cube root both sides. When you cube root a cube, the cube root and the cube cancel, so we're left with x minus 9. And the cube root of negative 27 is negative 3. Now, we add 9 to both sides, and we get x equals 6. So let's see if the weather forecast is right. On New Year's Eve 2022, the temperature in Ottawa and Vancouver will be exactly the same. It's weird, the kind of temperature we're getting in everywhere nowadays in Canada. Vancouver just went through a snowstorm, and temperature went down to about negative 10. And now, New Year's Eve, things are going to change around, and it's going to be a nice day for both cities. Okay, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.